The difference between a hydraulic paper cutter and an electric one. First, the size of the machine. Hydraulic paper cutter is larger than that of an electric paper cutter and much heavier than the electric type. The electric paper cutter weighs between 100 and 200 kilograms, while the hydraulic paper cutter weighs at least 300 kilograms. Second, the power source. The power of electric paper cutter is composed of motor and a knife holder. The high-speed operation of the motor drives the gearbox to do deceleration movement, and then to the knife holder. The knife holder moves up and down, thus generating cutting force. Low power and torque determine that the motor cannot work for a long time and cannot cut thick and hard paper. The power source of the hydraulic paper cutter is the hydraulic system. The main motor starts pushing the hydraulic oil to the solenoid valve. The solenoid valve uniformly distributes the oil flow and the oil feeding sequence, thus generating cutting force. Determine professional power source. Hydraulic paper cutter can handle large-scale cutting work. Both cutting and pressing use hydraulic power. It is called a double hydraulic paper cutter. It cuts accurately, quickly, and powerfully. It can work in large quantities. This is the unique advantage of the hydraulic paper cutter. When cutting different objects, the oil intake can be adjusted to flexibly control the working pressure. Third, the body structure is designed for cost. The gantry frame of the electric paper cutter is thin, only suitable for general office occasions, for small batches, and low precision requirements. Overload work, which can easily cause the gantry to break and overwear. The overall gantry of the hydraulic paper cutter is strengthened, which is suitable for high volume and high intensity work. It is suitable for medium and large graphic printing factories, for customers with high requirements for cutting process.